In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove admin accountant access in Xero. We'll walk through this step by step, so you can confidently remove access for an accountant or any user who no longer needs admin permissions on your Xero organization. Before you start, make sure you're logged into Xero with a user account that has the right to manage users, typically a subscriber or someone with full admin access. Without that level of permission, you won't be able to delete another user. Once you're logged in and you're on the main Xero dashboard, look to the top left of your screen. There you'll see your organization name. This is usually displayed as a clickable label. Go ahead and click on your organization name. This opens a drop-down menu that gives you quick access to key areas related to your organization. From that drop-down, find and click on the option labeled Settings. This takes you to the settings area for your organization, where you can manage things like financial settings, features, and most importantly for this video, your users and permissions. Give the page a moment to load if your internet connection is a bit slow. On the settings page, look for the section or menu item called Users. This is where Xero lists everyone who has access to your organization, along with their roles and permissions. Click on Users to open the user management screen. Here, you'll see a table of all users, including their names, email addresses, and access levels, such as Standard, Advisor, or Admin. Now, locate the specific admin accountant whose access you want to remove. Take a second to double check that you've selected the correct person, as deleting a user will revoke their access to your Xero organization. Once you've found the correct user, look to the right side of their row. You should see an icon with 3 dots, often called the More Options or Kebab menu. Click on these 3 dots to reveal the available actions for that user. In the menu that appears, you'll see an option labeled Delete. Click on Delete to begin removing their access. Xero may show a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure you want to delete this user. This is your last chance to confirm you've selected the right person. If everything looks correct, confirm the deletion. After you confirm, that admin accountant